So when we go over the power standards, that means that it was on every interim you had in 9th grade. It'll be on every one you have in 10th and 11th. So for this one, the first thing it says is according to table 2. So that means you're going to go to table 2, which is on page 2 for this one. Crustal diamonds are typically how much older than cratonic diamonds. So I'm flipping to table 2 for this one, and then you need to find crustal and you need to find cratonic. And then you have the age. So for this one, because you need to know how much older they can be, it's a range. So what I make is a number line. So I have 0.2, 0.5, 1.3, and 3.5 billion years old. And then you need to see, so you just put them in the order, because cratonic is 0.2 to 0.5, and crustal is 1.3 to 3.5. Now you need to know how much older they could be. So that means you have two options. You have the least amount older they could be, and the oldest amount older. So the oldest amount older, you do your number line from 0.2 to 3.5. So I could have a 0.2 billion year old cratonic and a 3.5 crustal together. So you do the whole thing. So I would do 3.5 minus 0.2, and that would be what?
3.3.
Yep, so that's 3.3 billion years old. And then you do the middle one, which is the youngest that they could be. So the youngest that they could be is 1.3 minus 0.5, which is what? So doing the subtraction on that one, what's 1.3 minus 0.5? And then Freddie, what did you get?
3 minus 5, negative 3.7.
1.3 minus 0.5.
Oh, point.
It's like saying,
Yep.
it's like saying 13 minus 5.
It's like saying 13 minus 5. So then that means that your range, after you get 0.8, is you need those two numbers. So you go back to your answer choices, and you need something that says 0.8, and you need something that says 3.3, and that's going to be answer choice C. Okay. For number 2, you have, based on figure 1, the difference in temperature between a continental geotherm and an oceanic geotherm. So those are my two key terms, and I know I'm going to figure 1 because it tells me to, at a depth of 140 kilometers. So the first